Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to download Fortnite on PC. To do that, open your browser and then search for Fortnite. Click download. Now click Epic Games Launcher PC to download Fortnite. After you download Epic Games Launcher, open the Games Launcher, then click Run. Now click Install. And you can see now the Epic Games launcher has been installed to play Fortnite on your computer. Just open this application. So click Epic Games Launcher. Then create an account. The launcher acts as a hub for your games, including Fortnite. Once the launcher is installed, you can search for Fortnite within the launcher interface. Usually, you can find it by using a search bar or looking under the featured or free to play section. Click on the Fortnite to start the download process and play Fortnite. So that's how to download Fortnite on PC. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.